Minister of State for Foreign Affairs, Bianca Ojukwu, has opened up on how she was rendered homeless for a month after participating in the most beautiful girl in Nigeria (MBGN) pageant due to her father's disapproval. Speaking at the Nigeria's Women's Day event during the 69th session of the Commission on the Status of Women at the United Nations headquarters in New York, Bianca shared her experience and reflected on her journey from pageantry to advocacy. She emphasized the transformative power of education in a woman's life, recounting her early fascination with beauty contests. Bianca explained that her childhood dream was to travel the world, and she saw pageantry as the perfect opportunity to achieve that. Determined to pursue her passion, Ojukwu entered a beauty contest, which she won. However, the accompanying prize, a one-year modeling contract in Tokyo, was something she had to decline due to her studies. Bianca later participated in the MBGN pageant, a decision that triggered a strong reaction from her father, a former governor. According to her, his anger was so intense that she was left without a home for a month. However, over time as she went on to win other prestigious pageants such as Miss Africa and Miss Intercontinental, her father eventually accepted her achievements. Despite the difficulties, she described her decision to complete her law degree as one of the most significant choices she had ever made. We will continue to supply you more trendy news updates and exclusive videos. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.